We all think that sleeping is a shutdown process. We feel that when we close our eyes, our body, our brains switch off, just like a laptop or a car. But modern science says this is not true. This is a centuries old lie. The reality is that when you are sleeping, your body's night shift staff is awake. Inside your body, a massive biological factory starts up. Your brain, which was 100% active during the day, becomes 150% active at night during sleep. And at this time, while you are unaware, repairing, cleaning, and memory processing works is going on inside you. If you knew what your body has endured in the last 8 hours and how it has pulled you back from the jaws of death, then perhaps you would think 10 times before going to sleep tomorrow night. Today, we will go into the depths of sleep science. We will talk about the research of Dr. Matthew Walker and Dr. Andrew Huberman. We will see what disaster happens to the body if you sleep with a full stomach. What is the best sleeping position that washes your brain? And what is the mistake you make upon waking up that sucks away your energy for the entire day? Welcome to the hidden world of your sleep. First of all, let's talk about the brain. Throughout the day, when you're awake, you think, you work, your brain uses energy. In this process, the brain produces metabolic waste or trash. This waste contains a very toxic protein called beta amyloid. Medical science says that it is a beta amyloid keeps accumulating in the brain. It becomes the biggest cause of Alzheimer's and dementia, which is memory loss in the future. So the question is, how does this get cleaned? In 2012, Dr. Macon Nettergaard made a shocking discovery. She saw that when we go into deep sleep, our brain shrinks in size by 60%. Yes, your brain physically gets smaller. Why? So that the space can be created between brain cells. And cerebrospinal fluid, meaning the brain's water, which is a cushion, can rapidly rush in between these cells and wash them. This system is called the glymphatic system. This is your brain's night dishwasher. It's just scrubbing your brain when you are sleeping. This is the time when your brain flushes out the toxic thoughts and chemicals of the day. People who sleep less than 6 hours, their dishwasher cannot complete its foot cycle. And that trash remains in the brain. Now let's come down. Have you ever wondered why we are running in a dream, but our legs don't move on the bed? This is natural miracle called sleep atonia. As soon as you enter the rapid eye movement REM sleep, which is a dreaming state, your brain sends a signal to your spinal cord and paralyzes the entire body. Only your eye muscles and breathing muscles work. If this lock isn't applied, whatever you are doing in your dream, you will start doing it in reality and hurt yourself. During this time between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your brain releases human growth hormone. This is called an anti-aging hormone, and this is the time when your skin repairs, your muscles grow, and the tissues that broke during the day are fused back together. Children grow only at night because human growth hormone is released only during deep sleep. Now let's come to the mistake that 90% of the people make, late night dinner. Many people eat a heavy dinner, pizzas, chicken wings, steaks at 11 p.m. and sleep at 12. This is like starting a biological war with the body. Understand this carefully. Your body can perform only one major task at a time. Either it will go and do digestion or it will do repairing called cell recovery. When you eat immediately before sleeping, your insulin level spikes. Dr. Sachin Pana's Salk Institute research says insulin and melatonin, which is sleep hormone, are enemies. When insulin is high, growth hormone stops releasing. All of your body's energy and all of the blood flow moves away from the brain and muscles toward the stomach. What is the result? You lay in the bed for 8 hours, but your body did not rest. It did overtime labor all night to digest that food. That is why when you wake up in the morning, you are tired. You feel like your sleep wasn't comfortable or complete. Actually, the duration was complete, but the quality of the sleep was zero. Therefore, the scientific rule is eat food at least 3 to 4 hours before going to bed so that when you sleep, your stomach is empty and the body can focus on repairing. Now, let's talk about the environment, your sleeping position, and your clothes. So research confirms that the brain's cleaning system called glymphatic system works best when you sleep in the lateral position, meaning on your side. Whether right or left, both sides are better than stomach sleeping. People who sleep on their stomach, their neck remains twisted, which blocks the drainage of blood flow from the brain. So Sleep on your side. Next is temperature. For our body to go into deep sleep, it has to drop the core body temperature by 2 to 3 degrees. Only then the body is cool enough and sleep will come. That is why you can't sleep in the heat. Science suggests keep the room temperature cool around 19 to 21 degrees Celsius. On clothing, wear loose cotton and breathable clothes. Tight clothes block your lymphatic flow. An interesting hack is if it is cold, sleeping with socks on can actually help because when the feet are warm, heat distributes inside the body and the brain gets the signal to go to sleep now. The final stage is waking up. What does your body demand as soon as your eyes open? And do we give that to it? Number one mistake we make, checking the phone. Checking the phone immediately upon waking up is like giving your brain an injection of stress and cheap dopamine. You instantly lower the worst tension, stress, emails, news into your brain. And Dr. Andrew Huberman, a Stanford neuroscientist, says the first thing to do upon waking up should be to view the sunlight. Open the window or go to the roof. This sunlight signals the brain through your eyes that release cortisol. This cortisol is not bad. This morning cortisol gives you energy and alertness. Number two, coffee, tea immediately. Do not drink tea or coffee as soon as you wake up. Why? Because there's a chemical in your body called adenosine, which brings sleep. Now, when waking up, this hasn't been fully cleared out. If you take caffeine immediately, it will hide that adenosine. And at 2 p.m., it will attack again. Afternoon crash. Correct protocol, drink 2 glasses of water immediately. Hydration is the key. And get the sunlight. Wait for at least 90 minutes and then drink tea or coffee. Now, so the summary is your sleep is not the death's sister. Sleep is the fuel of life. If you fix your sleep, let this biological factory do its work. Avoid late night eating and keep the environment cool. Then you can control your age, your memory, and your health. Tonight, give your body the respect it deserves because the start of a good morning happens with a good night. Put the phone aside, turn the lights off, and let your brain wash itself. Stay healthy, sleep deep. This is Dr. Raza Health 360 MD. Your better health is my mission. We'll connect soon. Goodbye.
My name is Dr. Raza. I am a practicing family physician in USA for the past 18 years. I am an American board-certified physician and diplomate of American Board of Family Medicine.